I'm here in Tustin, California for Socal Slime Bonanza 4. I'm super excited to be selling my slime, taking pictures, and meeting all of you guys. My upcoming conventions are SlimeTopia 2 from June 15th to 16th and SanFranSlimeCo 2 on June 22nd. I'm super excited, so let's go.
I met you, been dancing on the clouds. You're heaven sent. Did it hurt when you hit the ground? You sparkle like a diamond. You take my breath away. I'm hashtag blessed. You're the beat to my J. The way you move, the way you shake. So hot and so cool. Can't help but say I freaking love you, love you. Your touch is dynamite. You must be tired from always wanna be my mind. The way you move, the way you shake. So hot and so cool. Can't help but say I freaking love you, love you. Something about you. Got all of the feels. It's magic for real. I freaking love you, love you. I freaking love you, love you. The way you move, the way you shake. So hot, so cool.
You're the best. Thank you so much.
The way you move, the way you shake. So hot, so cool.
Thank you.
Can't help but say I freaking love you. I freaking love you. Come on, let's do this. I freaking love you, love you. I freaking love you, love you. I freaking love you, love you. Something about you, about you. Got all of the feels. It's magic for real. I freaking love you, love you. I freaking love you, love you. I freaking love you, love you. Something about you, about you. Got all of the feels. It's magic for real. I freaking love you, love you. I freaking love you.
Thank you guys so much for an amazing convention down here in Tustin. I was so excited to meet a lot of you guys and sell a lot of slime. Once again, my conventions that are coming up are in June, which are SlimeTopia 2 and SanFranSlimeCo. Please make sure to like and subscribe this video. Thank you guys so much for watching.